let him fight the rod. Let him fight the rod. That's it. Okay. When he quits like that, then you wind down fast.
Oh, okay.
Okay, up, slow and easy. Just hold on to it. That's enough.
Okay.
We don't want him underneath the boat. And wind down. Wind way down.
I can't.
Okay, let him come up. Just a minute, Cody. Wind down fast. Wind down. Okay, stop. Wind that up and back up. Hold! Careful.
Yeah, you're back now.
I'll hook you back. Get your back straight.
Okay, come on.
You gotta wait. Understand, this fish weighs 45 or 50 pounds.
All right.
That
Nice
is
fish.
Is that nice? You want to do it again?
Sure.
Let's put this one back in the water, shall we? See here, he's got no teeth.
Yeah.
See there? No teeth. Look at that. Got a big mouth. If any of you haven't felt this mouth, you ought to take and put your finger in there and just feel how hard it is. That's why you need to understand you have to set the hooks hard, just like she did. Really rip his lips good, right? Gently. Over the rail. Let's go.
Come on, sturgeon. I know you're there. Come on, baby. Bite. I don't think it's listening to me.
Oh, there he goes. Now you made him mad. Hold the pie. Oh. Lift with the pole. Watch it.
Oh, boy.
Lift.
Getting so lucky.
Okay, now wind down. Got it. Got it, boy. Get up. Lift. That's it. Wind when you go. Stop. Left, left. Wind down. Wind fast. There you go. Okay. Wind down. Lift down. Hold it. Hold it. Hold the rod.
That's a big one.
Well, you know, you did pretty good. You got it, Steve? Huh? Got it real quick. We have enough. 2 inches approximately, overall length. So very, go ahead, lift him. Wimpy kid, come on.
Nice.
Look at that. It's a very nice fish.
Wow.
That's what it's supposed to look like. Those are dandy fish, okay? We're going to put him back in the water here so he can get to be a couple inches longer the next time you're around. There he goes. It's easier to put it in through here. Wind down.
I will.
It's heavy.
Yeah, he's very heavy. Wind down, wind down. Look at that. Wow! This fish
Now
is
what do you want me to do?
Let's go. Get ready to wind. Get ready to wind?
I'm ready to wind.
Huh? Wind. Good, right there. Right there. Cody?
I'm real excited.
No. If you bring the gaff up, we can take the hook. He's been hooked before. He's got the different. He don't take off and lift it.
Tell us how you felt about him.
Muscles.
Oh yeah? So how do your muscles feel right now?
Like jelly. Like jelly, yeah.
That you've done some serious fishing.
And especially when they're bigger than you are.
Yeah. That fish that Paula caught was actually about 2 feet taller than she was. She did way more than the fish.
That's not fair.
Just like the man just fell down. Huh? Yeah, that's why we clean.
Yeah, we got a net.
Woo!
Same length as that.
Right at for about 50 inches. It felt really great when he really came out of the water. He really jumped out of the water on the first shot, and then he seemed to reel in real easy. But when he seen the boat, then that's when all the action began. And it didn't seem like it took that long to land him, but you know, you really, he made you work for it when the final Nellis came down, and you know, you could really feel your body straining to get him up close to the boat. But it was a great feeling. It was a lot of fun. It was a lot more fun than that one that got away. I can guarantee you that.